So friends, Bank of Baroda has reported a 1047 crore loss in its quarter. So what to do? People are telling Bank of Baroda has made loss. That is their thing. They are not giving any suggestion to you like what we have to do. Our three suggestion is there, whether we have to exit, whether we have to hold, or we have to buy on dip if it is coming down. So for that reason I have made the proper technical analysis. I have made my marks. As the channel name is marking in candlestick, I have marked the labels. We have to play according to the labels. You can see Bank of Baroda right now, yesterday closing price is 83.85, which as per my marking it's in a major resistance zone. Okay, so what will I have to do? If it is coming down, our first target will be 75 rupees. If it is coming down, our first target will be 75 rupees. And if it is going up, then our target will be 96. Okay, if it is going up, our target is 96, and if it is coming down, our target is 75. So that is the thing. But at 83 it is in a major resistance, so there is a chance if it is falling, 75 target is coming fast. In between that is no target. But if it is going up, because market we cannot predict anything, sometimes some companies are producing a good loss, good amount of loss they are booking, still stock market is going, so we cannot predict anything. We have to go according to our label. If it is going up, then directly there is a target of 96. But if it is making a resistance, making a resistance at 83, that is, and it falling, then there is a chance it can come down to 75. So 75 and next target is 96. These two target we have to up 96, down 75. That only we have to see. And if I am checking this RSI right now, RSI is 70. It's not in that much overbought zone or oversold zone. So if I am going to 30 minutes chart, there also it's showing the same thing. In 30 minutes charts also RSI is only 62. So our main thing we have to remember, when Monday the market will open, whether Bank of Baroda from 83 it is coming down. If it is coming down, we have to wait till 75. If it is holding 75 level, then it can go up. That time we have to go for a buy on dip strategy. But if it is going up from 83 onwards, like 85, 86, then directly via our target will be 96. Okay, please mark these two label. After the Monday market will open, we have to see what is happening. Okay, thanks.